Come on.
Here we go.
I understand this last exam be very important.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But are you guys ready for the exam? Do you feel ready? Eh?
You can't get to dinner.
But then they just pick the corn give you, eh?
Yeah, I tell them to choose how you know that.
They used to make koki corn with dry corn. No. Ngome?
Fresh corn.
Koki corn even na dry corn where they used to make am sometimes. Eh. For koki corn name is dry corn. Yeah, because I remember saying in those days koki corn.
Hi guys and welcome to Andine's house. First of all, I have one question for you. Is koki corn made only with fresh corn or can you also do it with dry corn? For those of you who do not know, koki corn is made of corn. It's super delicious with some palm oil and you tie it in a special leaf. Oh my god, I promise you, Cameroon have so many different types of food. Oh, we have our traditional food. Every tribe in Cameroon have something that they make that is unique to their tribe or to their village. If you say you are going to eat different type of food every day in Cameroon, 1 year is not going to be enough. Anyway, I'm back home. Your girl is back here to eat, and today we are going to make some koki corn. So we are just prepping this, and in another video I'm going to show you the full preparation of delicious oil-full, cocoa leaf-full koki corn. Comment below if you know how to make koki corn. If you ask me, I'm going to say us in Africa, we are very special. We make difficult food, guys. We make food that require many hands to do it in a few hours. Our food takes time, so if you're impatient, you will not be eating some delicious African food.
Anybody do like this, they call it sabon. This is doing a so. They go bada, gangsta, carry it go. Very fresh corn. Very nice. You see, don't come out almost all. Eh? That's all no. No, it's wrong. Okay.
So after our corn was ready, we took it to granny. This is me and my nephew on our way back home. Guys, is it just me or do you do the same? Do you climb bikes when you're in Africa? Dangerous business. Hello. Good afternoon. No. Now we're done. Mr. Ben will not like us to leave you guys.
Hello? Yeah. Call. Will you come back?
Hello, Daniel.
You do have up. Okay.
Back home, we are getting ready to make our koki corn. Look at how beautiful the color of that corn is. It's the red corn. I have never seen anybody do koki corn and cook koki corn with white corn before. Have you? Is it going to be as good as the red one? This food is so good. I love this food. If I can name the tribe that has this food as their traditional meal, I'm going to say the Mbo people of Cameroon. Mbo people, they eat a lot of koki corn and koki beans. Comment below if there are other tribes that eat the same koki corn like the Mbo people. There's something that I know about this koki corn is that the Mbo people, they can eat koki corn and koki beans together. It's a typical Mbo man you will see doing that. This is your girl mixing. Please just come back and watch this video. I'm going to make it sharp. Bye guys, remember to follow. It smells so good. Stop my toe. I bet